Welcome, today I am with Huawei FreeBuds 3 and I will show you how you can pair them with Apple Watch. So at first we have to open the case of our FreeBuds 3 and then move them to the pairing mode. You have to find this button on the right edge, then click and hold it for a few seconds until this indicator starts blinking on the white color. Right now we can release, put the case back and keep it open. Move to your Apple Watch, settings for sure, and we have to go for the Bluetooth settings. Next, take a look on the available devices list, right here. As you can see, FreeBuds 3 appears, so tap on them once. And there it is, after a few seconds, we are successfully connected. So right now we can just play the music, disconnect or forget this device. And that's what I'm going to do. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.